Riders simply peel and apply the pre-cut design onto their board, which allows them to quickly stick it onto their backpacks.
If you're a human being, you've probably found yourself on a train, walking somewhere, riding a bike someplace, or traveling. But no matter what your situation is, when you're on the go, you've always encountered the same dilemma. Which device should I charge first? Electronic devices are great, but we always seem to lack enough power outlets to satisfy today's charging demands. We here at MOS have found the answer to life's greatest question. We give you the MOS Pack, the perfect solution to charge your devices on the go. At first, it just looks like an amazingly beautiful backpack, but once you get to know her, you'll realize that what's inside is what really counts. Here at MOS, we've always strived to solve problems of cable management. So we have these channels on the sides that you can route your wires down and plug them into the MOS Reach, which is one of the biggest features that makes the MOS Pack different than any other backpack. The MOS Reach is stored at the bottom. You can plug in a laptop and 2 USB devices. The magnets inside the Reach attach to the metal plates sewn in at the bottom of the backpack to keep it in place. The cable for the Reach is stored in this side pocket. That way you can quickly plug it in as soon as you reach a power outlet and let your devices charge inside without ever having to take them out. With the 2 USB ports and power outlet on the Reach, you have enough ports to charge all your devices at the same time while you sit back and relax. Then, when it's time to go, you simply unplug it and leave. You've probably seen battery backpacks before, but the truth is most of the time they're way overpriced and they come with heavy, bulky batteries, making them very inconvenient for everyday use. That's why, instead of having a heavy battery, the MOS Pack has a special spot where you can use your favorite power bank, such as the MOS Go power bank, which should be available soon. The laptop pocket can fit a 15-inch laptop, and the tablet pocket can fit most standard tablets.